piece.
I was about to pull and it just.
Yeah.
I know. As soon as it come around the corner.
Come on.
Even after he turned, I thought we could hit him, but he went straight off that.
Yeah, it's about 5 different ones probably this morning.
I heard these two, and then there was one a little bit higher, and I heard one way off over there, and then one on down there towards, back towards the gun range. God, I was so
ready.
Oh, we was in the game with them. Oh no. That trumpet tears them up, son. Hell, he wasn't 25 yards. Because he came out here. Go far. He didn't know what she was. He just seen him. See, the problem was too, Billy, we was scouting.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
as soon as he poked his head around this corner, the man himself.
are we turkey hunting or what?
We are.
That's all we do.
It's been quite the day.
We think that we're getting whipped.
It's been the most eventful day.
But it ain't over with yet.
go try to shoot again with a gun that won't shoot.
That gobbler's still over here.
He is.
There was one back up here. Did you hear him?
Uh huh. Yeah, that was that same bunch that came.
Yeah.
The redneck.
Yeah. Well, all I know is you can't hit them if you don't shoot.
Hey.
Y'all wasn't, and y'all couldn't have been. They couldn't have seen much.
Mm-mm.
They was boogered from up there though,
Yeah.
and they couldn't see. But what it was, they couldn't tell. I was behind that tree. They didn't know what it was.
Mhm. I don't think they seen us.
That one come right behind that oak tree there, and he just stick his head around, and it's just.
I
right
couldn't
straight.
even see his full head through the hole that I was trying to shoot through.
I believe he shot over him.
Probably, but I ain't used to this sight neither.
Yeah.
That's all right.
It's a J. We won't stress too much over it.
Now,
Well, a little mid-morning update here. We've had equipment failures. We've had missteps on the setup, but somebody still ain't shot a turkey. How many times have you shot? A dozen?
4.
4. Well, you've
times.
only shot
Well,
twice.
I've attempted to shoot 4 times.
Phew.
I pulled the trigger 4 times, only one shot.
Billy, he went down to Dollar General in Ranger and bought this shotgun. He bought the shells from a Podunk Drunk somewhere up in Hill City. We don't know what's going on, but we're still on turkeys and we're having a hell of a time. I know that. Well, I can go ahead and tell you I forgot to hit record. I didn't know y'all got it.
Wonderful. He's strutting.
Was he?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Jake, isn't it?
I think he was still a Jake though.
He ain't gobble like no Jake.
I didn't see no beard. Did that one shoot that time?
It shot that time, didn't it, Billy?
Shot that time, I wasn't expecting it to either.
All I know is this, them Buckners will burn powder. That's the title of this video, the Buckner
Burn powder.
Powder Burners.
Oh yeah.
You know what them shells cost a ball?
Alright, so if y'all didn't see the excitement right there, we had another one come close, and Miss Lexi's gun, it's just shooting high. That's about what we've determined. We gonna ease our crippled selves out of here. We ain't got no butt left to kick. But it's been a fun morning, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this out there. This is gonna be part 1 of the hunt. Y'all stay tuned for part 2, where we either kill a turkey or you get to watch our leader here fold an automatic shotgun around a pine tree. So stay tuned. It could get entertaining on part 2. So you got anything further you want to say?
My butt's been kicked today. We've walked, climbed, crawled. Been a good one though.
We're turkey hunting. That's all we can say.